India has sought a review of the US court judgment that dropped criminal charges against a Seattle police officer who killed 23-year-old Indian student Janvi Kandula. Janvi, a master's student from Andhra Pradesh, was hit by Seattle police officer Kevin Dave's speeding car on January 23rd last year while he was responding to a drug overdose call. Spine-chilling body cam footage shows 23-year-old was flung 100 feet after the police vehicle hit her at nearly 120 kilometers per hour. Officer Dave's colleague Daniel Audrer can also be seen laughing about the deadly crash, assuring him that he won't be prosecuted for the death as Janvi's life was quote-unquote, in fact, quote-unquote, had limited value. Recently, the prosecutor maintained that she could not pursue criminal charges against the officer due to lack of sufficient evidence. Meanwhile, the Consulate General of India in Seattle has released a statement about the unfortunate death of Janvi Kandula and highlights that it has been in regular touch with her family representatives and will continue to extend all possible support in ensuring justice for Janvi. India has further stressed that the matter has been raised strongly with local authorities, including Seattle Police, for appropriate redressal, and that the case has now been referred to Seattle City Attorney's Office for review. So, of course, this is the latest that is coming in at this point of time as far as this very, very shocking and disturbing case is concerned. Meanwhile, my colleague Akshat Gupta joins us on the broadcast. Akshat, if you could take our viewers through the statements that have now been released by the Consulate General of India in Seattle.
Well, yes, the Seattle police officer who struck and killed Indian student Janvi Kandula will not face any criminal charges due to lack of sufficient evidence. That's what the court has said there. And the reports, of course, are being surfaced of officer not facing any criminal charges. And also, very importantly, if I just tell you that on Wednesday only the King Court prosecutor's office said that they will not move forward with the criminal charges against Kevin Dave, who is the officer. And the prosecutor attorney also said that Kandula's death is heartbreaking and impacted communities in King country and across the world. Consulate General of India has now reacted, saying that they are in regular touch with the family representatives and will continue to extend all possible support in ensuring justice for Janvi and her family. Well, they've also raised perhaps the matter strongly with the local authorities, including the Seattle police, for appropriate redressal machinery. And the case has now been referred to Seattle City Attorney's Office for review. So, of course, if the body cam footage also showed how Officer Daniel Audrer, who was not directly involved in the collision, was callously laughing about the crash and making insensitive comments about Janvi Kandula's age and worth, which has also drawn sharp criticism from India also. So, of course, it will be very important to see as to what the further course of action is.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.